baskets as well. Talk baskets is in the house. They're also giving out small chops as well for a very amazing price. 12 baskets are inside the hall. They're inside the hall. So look out for them. They're not far off from where you're standing. Just try and locate them and you will enjoy small chops like never before.
All right, and now back to the sweet treats. We have creme brulee. They say that they are the world of desserts, and honestly, just looking at what is on their menu, I might have to agree. They've got cheesecakes and samples of their cheesecakes. They have tiramisu, sticky toffee pudding, chocolate brownies, cookies, and much more. And you can find them inside from the entrance. You can see second left, turn, and then they will stores. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you find them. That's creme brulee. I love cheesecake, so if you love cheesecake as much as me, I would recommend that you check out creme brulee.
That's right. Big shout out to Olaya Foods and Catering Services. Their stand is inside the stage, so you can find them. They're not far off. They have all